his face.
No, dab.
Okay. Dab.
No, 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 no.
Tell me to dab, I'm dabbing my face. I didn't know she's on about what.
So cute.
I'm so excited.
So hi guys, how are you
Hi.
doing? This is my friend Christina. Beautiful, beautiful lady. And today she is joining me because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And you know, and the reason why Christina's here is why. Tell them, Christina. Tell them.
Okay, so I'm a breast cancer survivor. So 4 years ago I was diagnosed with breast cancer and I fought it. I had treatment, had a mastectomy, reconstruction, and unfortunately it's recently came back. But I'm gonna fight it again.
My girl.
Okay.
Yes.
Because breast cancer is not ready for me.
Oh, babe. She gives me goosebumps. And literally, she's a beast in the gym. Guys, you need to see her before and afters in the gym. That's goals right there. Absolutely amazeballs. So what we're going to be doing today is basically, you know, giving her like a new boost of... You're already confident. You know?
I'm confident.
Exactly, like just make her feel fresh and make her feel good. You know, give her a shan makeover. You know,
Yeah, with hair,
and makeup. So we're going for a similar type of look. But I feel like we're twinning. We're gonna be twinning. We did not even plan this, guys.
At all.
We did not plan this. Literally, we're all blacked out. So I'm going to be putting on a wig for her. So this wig is from Rpgshow and it's a unit that I obviously was like, guys, people love these type of wigs because they're easy to throw on. They make any girl look good. So this is my little creation. It is like a Halloween theme type thing, but I was like, nah, Breast Cancer Awareness Month wig. And Christina shaved her head because she said she's going to do chemo and it's gonna come out anyway. So I was like, girl, okay, then no problem, shave your hair, get new hair in it. Here we go. And this way you can take on and off. So this is the wig that we're going to be using. This wig is called Selena.
Hi,
we're
Selena.
gonna call it Christina.
Stop it.
It's a 200% density wig, so it's quite full and it's really, really soft and it's really, really nice. I'll leave all description down below. You know where to get this wig. As I said, Rpgshow. So we're gonna get started and, you know, turn this bad bee out.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't been to the gym for ages. I really miss the gym.
Why have you not been? Since when's the last time you went?
I went a few weeks ago, but what happened was I did my competition in June, and after I finished the competition I thought, oh, I just want to chill for a bit, and then it got to July.
How did you do in the competition?
I won, baby!
Yes, yes, a fitness competition, yeah?
Yeah, so it was Ultimate Fitness League, UFL. It was a transformation competition that I won. I came first place. And I also did theme. I came third in theme, wearing feathers, doing like a carnival outfit.
Yes, girl.
So I'm loving the competition. Can't wait to do them again next year.
You're gonna start again next year?
Yeah, I'm on this thing.
You're on this thing. So why have you not been to the gym?
Just life really got in the way, and I guess when I found out I was diagnosed, you know, just going back into hospital and having to deal with all the appointments, going for biopsies, I just wasn't really feeling to go back in the gym. But this week I'm, you know, gonna have a good start back in there, you know, 2-3 times a week, just something light. But yeah, definitely.
So how are you feeling now with everything?
It's all still a big shock. Even though I've been diagnosed before, being diagnosed the second time is still a massive shock, and obviously it's upsetting. But you know, there's good days and bad days. Today is a good day. Today's a good day, girly.
Babe, you're absolutely so strong, and we literally are going to be using these brushes.
Okay.
You've worked with them, you've had your face done by them before, right?
Yeah, but I look good, feel better.
Yeah, basically they're a charity that does, like, I'm guessing brushes or products?
They do products for people who've had breast cancer, and they work to give people with breast cancer information on how to make themselves look good and feel better.
So basically, I think it's 20% of when you buy their products goes to women with breast cancer.
Yeah.
Do men get breast cancer?
Yeah, definitely. Men can get breast cancer as well.
Is it because they have boobs?
Yeah, breast cancer is for people that have breasts, and men and women have breasts. So unfortunately, men can get breast cancer too. It's more common in women, but I have known men who have had it.
Are they overweight?
Nothing to do with overweight.
Swear down.
Swear down. You know, breast cancer, there's so many different things. You don't have to have massive boobs. You don't have to have tiny boobs. You don't have to have family history. It's nothing to do with what you eat. Anyone can literally get breast cancer. It's possible.
By the way, guys, don't worry. And not everybody will. You literally, like, anybody can get breast cancer. Even though your family don't have it, you could get. Guys,
I don't want to scare you. I just want people to be aware.
Yeah, that it happens.
It happens.
Okay.
It can happen.
Okay.
Not that everybody's gonna get. Oh my god, the coverage! Thank you.
Oh, babe. She's gonna pop.
I'm gonna wreck this face.
Oh, babe. Let's have a break. Oh, babe. Okay, we need tissues. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna cry because I'm gonna spoil it, so I'll hold it. I'm good. I'll think of something nice, like, I don't know.
Oh, babe.
I don't know, think of food or something good.
Oh, babe. Oh, you do it, so I don't want to, like,
No, you
I don't want to drip you. I don't want to drip you in your eye, babe.
I think I'm okay.
Oh, okay. I think you're right.
Yeah.
I think it's well done now. It's gone.
Yeah, I just thought.
Mad thing. Oh, babe. We need to get your smile lines. Come. Okay. Here we go. There's been no smiling in this dojo. Not with this makeup. Smile where? Smile where? Smile where, girl? I'm joking.
No.
You can never stop Christina from smiling. She's the happiest person in the world.
She's good.
Babe, guys, please guess her age. Say 24, 25, 26.
Black don't crack.
Okay, is it 25, Christina?
No.
Okay.
A little bit higher, higher.
30?
Tiny bit higher.
32?
Higher.
35?
Little bit higher.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Might as well just go to 100. Bloody hell, how high are we going?
Shut the hell up.
Okay, 37.
No, keep going.
Bloody hell. You know you look like you're young, you're like your young 20s, right?
Thank you, baby.
Okay, so we're not going past 40, are we?
Yeah, we are.
Bruh.
Okay, 41.
Little bit more.
42. Say 42.
Little bit more.
43.
43. We'll stop there.
Oh my God, babe. Look on the skin. Whoa.
Look what?
Hey, my girl. Get out. Now dab.
Okay. Dab.
No.
Dab what? I'm 43. She's telling me to dab. I'm dabbing my face. I didn't know she's on about whatever. You're too nice.
Oh God. No, you're doing well. You're doing well.
I'm doing well. Thank you. You're doing well.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
I appreciate it more.
stronger. You thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. You thought that I'd be sad without you, I laugh harder. Thought I wouldn't grow without you, now I'm wiser. Thought that I'd be helpless without you, but I'm smarter. You thought that I'd be stressed without you, but I'm chilling. You thought I wouldn't sell without you, sold 9 million. I'm a survivor, I'm not gon' give up, I'm not gon'
absolutely stuck on me. You know what I mean? And the hair on you is, oh babe, literally. Like,
Thank you.
how do you feel about your hair?
I love the hair. The hair is like, it's so young. You know, this is a style, you know, that you can wear if you're older, if you're younger. Obviously, I'm younger, but you know, it's a nice little style.
Oh, the bob suits you. Your makeup is
bob.
nice. Your face looks flawless. You're
Thank
absolutely
you.
snatched. I just want to say that I'm so proud of you. You're very
Thank you.
inspirational, like for everybody. I hope people actually watch this and just like see how like positive and strong and upbeat you are about life. She's just always smiling. She still works really, really hard. She's banging out the gym, competing. She's doing bits, and you're just sharing such a positive message that, you know, we black women, we women, we're really strong. Oh babe, that we are really strong. That we can. Oh babe, I've got Q-tips. I've got Q-tips that we're really strong and that we can do anything regardless of. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. You know what I mean? Like how this affect on women is serious and crying and blushing. You know. No, but seriously, real talk, you're amazing. I don't even need to say much, but people will like see and like understand, like no matter what you're going through, if you have a smile like that, you can overcome anything. Right?
Thank you. Oh, thank you, my darling.
I love you. Oh, by the way, guys, I will link all her socials down below for like gym inspiration. I'm telling you, for the breast cancer inspiration, awareness, motivation stuff. All on her page. I'll link that down in the description bar below. Obviously, friends have to support friends, and I'm so glad you came on my channel doing bits. Also, check out Rpgshow. This wig is banging. You know, I had a hand in designing these wigs, right? So, like, this is the wig that I came up with that will suit everybody. Obviously, this one is yeah, this is from some next place in it, but like I put it a bit too far down. I put it a bit too far down. Like I have no forehead. My forehead just slant one side. Why I need hair wig. So Christina, can you like just pop that off and place it on my head?
No, this is for me.
You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna wear a hat. But yeah, make sure you do check out Rpgshow. Thank you so much, Rpgshow, for supporting this video. She loves her wig.
I love it. Thank you, RPG.
Like literally, it's amazing. So check them out. The information will be in the description bar below as well, and I think there's a discount as well. I'll even link that on the screen and you see it at the bottom here. So now, see, I have got little guard teeth. I think we should do the lipstick test, right? Now, where you put your hand in your mouth and you suck.
You suck your finger.
You do this. Oh, okay, ready?
What are we looking for?
Look, can you not see? Like, there's lipstick around mine. I think yours is gone now.
Okay.
Bloody hell. But yeah.
Thank you.
Now say bye to the people and let's go out and live a fab life.
Bye, guys. And remember, check your breasts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sure, I need to go get a smear test.
Oh, yeah, do that too. All of that.